In this plain Jane CBD review, isolate CBD oil is what we will be discussing the historical background on CBD isolate and what it's all about. Plain Jane was established in 2018 by Evan Marshall and Lindsay Holthouse, right after Donald Trump passed the Farmers' Bill Act, which made CBD legal in the United States. Plain Jane is one of the hottest platforms in the CBD industry market right now, and its numbers are skyrocketing and taking off. Finding out the benefits of isolate CBD oil will change your perspective on CBD and how it works. Isolate CBD is one of the highest and most potent forms of CBD you can get either in crystal, powder, or liquid form. You will receive the most value at an affordable price for high-quality hemp from farm to table is Plain Jane's motto. When should you take isolate CBD oil and how? If you read the full article you will find incredible secrets on Plain Jane that you will always remember. Visit mygreatvapes.com and see what article helps you the most. And if you want to visit Plain Jane, then look for links inside the article. We will be back with more videos that you all enjoy. Until next time, we hope you catch up on the rest of the videos. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.